A power pole's become such a great tool for the northern angler. Whether it's using the drift paddle when you're trolling in different applications, or just using the anchor feature of the pole too. Maybe you're casting shallow weeds, using it even around the dock. And of course now, there's an app for that. And by what I mean is you can basically run everything you need to run through the Sea Monster app. And it's been out for quite a few years, but there's a lot of different options that you can do now that you couldn't in the past. I mean, obviously one of the simple things, I've already linked it with Bluetooth to this pole on my boat. Go up and down with the pole, obviously, right from the app. You can adjust the speed settings. So if we go all the way up to 100%, move the pole up, it's going to move as quick as it can. When you go into system configure, this is where it gets really pretty cool. You have all the different options to run the pole with different remotes, a dash remote, foot switches. There's all these different options, and you can actually adjust the settings from each of those remotes within the app as well too. When you look at something like bottom type and configuring it, they'll basically adjust the different tension that when the pole's down of what it holds. So harder bottom, it's going to keep it stuck down tighter than what it would on a soft bottom. But one of the most important things I think, of course, is to be able to run diagnostics on your pole, your motor amperage. If you see maybe the motor seems to not be running as quick, so if you're seeing an issue, it can get sent right to Power Pole and they can tell you what you need to do. So really, the pole is a great feature for fishing up in the north, but using the app, you can actually do diagnostics, you can run everything you want to do, and actually have a lot of fun messing around with it on your phone to help you catch more fish in different situations.